When someone talks about a car that is a benchmark by which all others are compared, what car do you automatically think of? Simple. It's a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. So welcome everyone to the S63 AMG. The ultimate luxury coupe, the new S-Class Coupe, introduces some unbelievable technology. Combine that with the comfort you would expect from an S-Class. But what is it that sets this S-Class Coupe apart from others? Well, it's this 5.5 litre twin turbo, the newer generation. And not only is it more powerful and more torquey, it's a lot more refined, which has become instantly apparent. So it doesn't make much noise when you put your foot down. Well, to be perfectly honest, from in here, you probably get a faint little hint of it. But it's certainly not as loud as the old one. Whether it's like that outside of the car, I really don't know. So really what we should do is we should pull over and have a little bit of a look around and see what this car's all about. Now that we've stopped here at Royal Park, which to be honest isn't quite what I was expecting it to be. Lived in Melbourne for 28 years and really never come here. But anyway, we're here, so let's make the most of it. And let's focus our attention back on the S63 AMG. Now you've seen a little bit of the exterior, you've heard what it sounds like, but what's very important is what's going on inside, because this has got just about every single luxury you could ever imagine. Now stepping inside, of course, being a coupe, you get all the windows going down, so you get, look at all that space, brilliant. And we've got every conceivable luxury you could imagine. Seats which move about in every single possible way, and every time you turn a corner, the seat sort of grabs you and holds you in. Plus, it's got massage function, heating and cooling, all that sort of stuff. We've got a 360 camera, panoramic roof, which has a full blind package, and very importantly, a very high-powered Burmester sound system, which, if you put all the windows up and you turn the volume up, it will make your ears bleed. And on top of that, you've got all the usual features like sat nav, Bluetooth with music streaming, everything that opens and closes electrically. So to be honest, you're perfectly catered for in this car, no matter what the situation. So now we've got all of that under control, let's get it back on the road and really discover how good this car actually is. So because it's an S-Class, as it's now named, it has got every single luxury you expect from an S-Class. I mean, just initially, the ride is unbelievably compliant. It's limousine-like, but it's still a little bit firmer than the regular S Coupe or S Sedan, I guess. And because it's a Mercedes, if you come down here, you've got a control center which has all your buttons which do just about everything. Up here's a control panel for your climate control. And then if you flick across, we have massage. Now there's one curious setting in this, and it's an active workout. Now the reason I find this particularly bizarre is because when you click it, it asks you to press against the pressure spot in the backrest. So I'm feeling it now. So as I go to push it, whoa, I have to push the accelerator. It's a completely daft system. So I think we'll just stick to mobilizing massage, which is like having a holiday in Thailand, I guess, but you don't pay 20 whatever it is for whatever you get at the end. Or maybe you do, I don't know. So the S-Class has a reputation for being the best car in the world, and I've been one of those people who've strongly advocated this point. I've always thought the S-Class was the absolute pinnacle of motoring. And does this car continue on the tradition? Well, absolutely it does. It's even better than the last one. It's more refined, it's just more of everything. There is no doubting this is one of the finest cars available today. What an unbelievable car. I mean, it's plain to see how far the CL or S-Class as it's now known has come in 20 years. It's an unbelievable machine. And to think that this, which is probably the best car in the world, all things considered, is $199,990. That's a fraction of the new car price. So come down to Lorbek Luxury Cars and buy this awesome car today.